Best corner TV wall mounts help you make the most of awkward or unused corner spaces in your room by securely mounting your TV at the perfect viewing angle. They're designed to save space, improve viewing comfort, and keep your entertainment area neat and stylish, ideal for small rooms, open layouts, or non-traditional wall spots. Starting at number 1. Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount. The Mounting Dream MD2380 TV wall mount is a heavy-duty, full-motion bracket designed for most 32/65 TVs weighing up to 99 pounds with Visa patterns up to 400 by 400 millimeters. Constructed with robot-welded steel and 6 articulating arms, it provides a sturdy and reliable support system. This mount offers full flexibility, allowing your TV to tilt up 5 degrees and down 15 degrees, swivel left or right, and extend from 3.4 to 17.5, making it easy to adjust for glare reduction and optimal viewing angles. Installation is straightforward with pre-labeled hardware, a paper template, and plus or minus 3 degrees post-installation leveling adjustment. The MD2380 is designed for 16 stud spacing and is not suitable for drywall-only mounting, requiring wood studs or concrete anchors for secure setup. Ideal for those seeking a versatile, space-saving, and adjustable TV mount, it enhances viewing comfort while keeping your entertainment area organized. Number 2. PERLESMITH Corner TV Wall Mount Full Motion. The PERLESMITH Corner TV Wall Mount Full Motion, PSCLF1, is a versatile and durable bracket designed for most 37/70 TVs weighing up to 99 pounds, supporting a wide range of Visa patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters, making it compatible with LED, LCD, OLED, and curved screens. Its full-motion design allows plus 5 degrees/15 degree tilt, up to 45 degrees swivel depending on TV size, and plus or minus 3 degrees level adjustment, enabling easy positioning to reduce glare and achieve the perfect viewing angle. The dual articulating arms extend the TV up to about 22 from the wall and fold back neatly when not in use, optimizing corner space and freeing up room for furniture or decor. Constructed from high-strength powder-coated steel, it ensures long-lasting durability, while the included hardware and detailed instructions make installation straightforward on wood studs, concrete, or block walls. Ideal for maximizing space and enhancing viewing comfort, this corner TV mount combines flexibility, strength, and style. Number 3. Mounting Dream Most 42 to 84-inch TVs. The Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount Bracket, MD229624K, is a heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount designed to fit most 42/84 flat, curved, OLED, LED and plasma TVs weighing up to 100 pounds, with broad Visa compatibility up to 600 by 400 millimeters and support for 16, 18, and 24 wood stud spacing or solid concrete/brick walls. This full-motion mount allows you to tilt the TV plus 5 degrees/15 degree, swivel up to plus or minus 45 degrees, and adjust the level by plus or minus 4 degrees for better viewing from different angles, and its articulating arms extend the TV up to about 16.7 from the wall while retracting to a low profile when needed. Made from durable alloy steel with robot-welded construction, the mount includes installation hardware, a bubble level and cable ties, and comes with a long 10-year warranty and US-based customer support, though it is not intended for drywall-only mounting. Number 4. Mounting Dream Most 37 to 75-inch TVs. The Mounting Dream TV wall mount for most 37/75 TVs is a universal tilt-style wall bracket designed to support TVs weighing up to 132 pounds with a maximum Visa pattern of 600 by 400 millimeters, compatible with 16, 18, and 24 stud spacing for secure installation on wood studs or solid concrete walls. Its low-profile design keeps the TV just 1.5 inches from the wall, saving space while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. The mount allows a forward tilt of up to 8 degrees, reducing glare and improving the viewing experience. Installation is simple with included hardware, a level, and clear instructions, and US-based customer support is available for assistance, though it is not suitable for drywall-only mounting without appropriate anchors. This wall mount combines strength, functionality, and style, making it ideal for optimizing space and enhancing your TV setup. Number 5. Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount Swivel. The Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount Swivel and Tilt, model MD2377, is a full-motion bracket designed for most 26/55 TVs weighing up to 60 pounds with Visa patterns up to 400 by 400 millimeters. It features a perfect center design that makes it easier to position your TV and a single articulating arm that lets you pull the TV out from about 3.1 to 17.1 before retracting it back close to the wall, giving you flexible viewing angles. You can tilt the TV up to 5 degrees forward and 15 degrees downward to help reduce glare and swivel left or right to suit different seating positions, with a plus or minus 3 degrees post-installation level adjustment for precise setup. Constructed from durable, robot-welded heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, the mount comes with pre-labeled hardware, a bubble level and cable ties to make installation easier, and US-based customer support if you need help, though like most mounts in this category, it's not meant for drywall-only installation without proper anchors.